Hi guys, my name is Sayan Saha and in this video we're going to share with you 3 must-read books for your 20s. The first one is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book draws interviews with successful individuals of the time, including Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison and Henry Ford, to identify common traits and habits of successful people. The book emphasizes the importance of developing a strong mindset and setting clear goals, as well as the importance of positive thinking, persistence, and a burning desire to achieve one's goal. It has become a classic in the personal development genre and has sold millions of copies worldwide. The book has inspired many individuals to take action towards achieving their goals and has had a profound impact on the field of personal growth and self-help. The next book that we can introduce is Atomic Habits by James Clear. The book provides a framework for building and sustaining positive habits that can lead to long-term personal and professional growth. It says that small incremental changes in behavior, what I've said, small and incremental changes in behavior can compound over time to yield significant improvements in one's life. The book outlines a 4-step model for creating and maintaining positive habits, and those are: make it obvious, make your habits obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. This book also provides strategies for breaking bad habits, such as identifying and addressing the underlying causes of the behavior. Now, if you have cleared it out, we're gonna go to the next book. I mean, the last book that we're gonna introduce is my favorite book, Think and Grow Rich by James Allen. Oh, sorry, I've done something. Madness, think Madness, think it. Man as Think It by James Allen. This book is based on the idea that a person's thoughts and attitudes shape their life and circumstances, and that one has the power to control and direct their thoughts to achieve success and happiness. A positive and optimistic mindset is essential for achieving personal and professional growth, and that negative thoughts and beliefs can lead to failure and unhappiness. This book contains practical advice and techniques for developing a positive mindset and controlling one's thoughts, such as daily meditation and affirmation. It is a short yet influential book that has inspired many individuals to take control of their thoughts and improve their lives. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. It's very important for us to subscribe our channel. It's very important, and like this video. So goodbye, see you again in the next video. Goodbye.